Hello. Here we will see how to install Actisys cable driver in Windows 7. First of all, go to the Actisys website www.actisys.com. On the first page, you will find the download. Click on the download, and here you can see the IR224UN driver install and guide Windows 7 .zip. So as I'm using ACT IR224UN UN Actisys cable, so let's click on this. Then it will ask to save the file. Save on the desktop. So in this installation pack there are three files. One is driver installer, second is driver installation guide. So first you need to open the guide and you need to see the instruction one by one. First, the installation procedure is divided in three steps. First one is check the previous driver. It's very important step. So first, before you install any driver, you need to check whether any previous driver is installed on your PC or not. So to check the any previous driver, you can click here and you need to go to the device manager, and here the procedure is shown. So first I will connect my Actisys cable to PC, then go to start, right click on computer, go to properties, and here you can find a link for device manager. So let's go back to guide. Here it is shown that in the device manager you will find any of this, and from here you can decide whether you have installed a wrong driver or you have not installed any driver yet. So here I can identify that I have not installed any driver yet. And if you have not installed any driver, then skip step 2 and follow the step 3. Sorry, in the step 3, now disconnect the Actisys cable. So I will disconnect. Then after download from the website this driver and run 224UN driver installer version 1.8. So I will run the ACT IR224UN driver installer version 1.8. Run. Yes. Next. Finish. After click on the finish, you need to restart your PC, and after restart you need to again open the device manager and connect now you can connect the Actisys cable. Now when you will connect the Actisys cable, you will be able to see a prolific USB to serial COM port here. So let's go back to guide. Finish, restart the PC, that we already done. Now check installation of cable driver is successful or not. So to check whether it's proper or not, then after restart, open the device manager. You must be able to find prolific USB to serial COM port. Right click, go to properties, select driver. Check the driver version, it must be 3.4.48.272. If you can see this, then Actisys cable is working properly. Go back. So let's check whether I have installed a driver properly or not. So right click on the Prolific USB to serial COM port. Go to properties. Here in general we can see the device is working properly, and as shown in the driver guide, we need to check the driver version. If it is 3.4.48.272, then we have installed a Actisys cable driver properly. Thank you.